y'all. Ooh! If you want that Telfar, get you that Telfar. Y'all, I've been delaying this video for too long, but today is the day this finally happens. I'm not gonna do a whole intro, we're just gonna get into it. But before we do that, thank you so much for clicking on this video. You know, if you're new here, you should totally subscribe to my channel. You know, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You see by the title what's going on in this video, so let's just get right into it. So clearly you see this is a Telfar video, and I got one. Well, I got this like last month, but it took me so long to go to the mailbox to finally get it because sometimes I don't feel like going to the mailbox. Yeah, I've been waiting so long to get a Telfar. Them things be sold out like all the time. I'm basically just gonna tell y'all how to get you a Telfar because I know you want one. Everybody wants one. I pulled an all-nighter. I stayed up all night to get this one specific Telfar, the one that I wanted, the copper medium bag. The easiest way to get you a Telfar is make an account. Subscribe, sign up for the list, follow Telfar on social media, Instagram, Twitter, to know what's dropping on what day is the best way to really know if you want the bag that's dropping when it's dropping. So when you go to make an account, you just put in your address information, which makes it easier. So when you have an account and just log in, everything's already done. You just have to fill out your credit card information and just buy the bag. And it's simple as that. I mean, that's the easiest way for me to do it. With all that being said, let's get into this unboxing. And you know, I don't want this video to be like hella long because why do I need to be sitting here for 20 minutes talking about a Telfar bag? Baby, this is just an unboxing and some tips. You know, you got your tips now. Let's get into this unboxing. The Telfar comes in the standard brown cardboard box, and the shipping didn't really take that long. Probably like, for me, mine took about like a week and a half the most. It was pretty fast. Some people said they got theirs in like 4 days. How you got yours in 4 days? Let me get that express shipping. Let me not tear this thing up. Let me see which way, because I'm not trying to show y'all my address. Y'all, I'm so excited. Yes! Oh! So we just gonna ignore that just slid out the box. I did get the medium copper like I said before, and it just comes in this Ziploc-y type bag. I know y'all probably seen like 100 Telfar unboxings, but here's mine. You get your Telfar duster bag. I'm probably just mostly gonna have it in here because I don't even be going out like that anyways. Y'all. Ooh! Now come on.
Let's go.
I don't know how it shows up on camera, but to me it's more of a rose goldy color, which is what I was looking for, and I kind of expected it to be, so I'm excited. You know, it's not too big, not too small. You got your standard 2 strap, your long straps, and then your small straps. You know, I'm not gonna probably do the long straps. I'm gonna put them like inside the bag. Y'all, I'm examining this thing so hard right now. So you got the inside, which isn't like, it's not too deep, but deep enough. And of course, the snap closure. You got your inside pocket. It's pretty deep. I saw some girl was like, she was like,
it's not that deep.
Girl. The inside pocket comes like all the way down there. Stop tripping. It's deeper than like a lot of purses. Y'all, on first impressions, I love this bag. I bought this so it could be like an everyday type of purse. I'm trying to see if the straps in the bag look stupid, cause I don't know what I'm about to do. Okay, I don't know how I feel about the straps in the bag. But wait a minute. I kind of like it, but it look weird on like inside with the straps like that. I really feel like Telfar is the moment right now. If you don't have one, you better get you one. Listen to what I said. Make you an account on the Telfar website, which link will be in the description box. It's shop.telfar.net. It seemed like it was just impossible to get one, which it's really not. If you really like really want one, you gotta be quick because the things sell out quick in like 5 minutes. If it's like a really popular bag that everybody wants. I mean, there's nothing more to say. Like, I love the color. I wouldn't say it's really a coppery ivory color. It's more rose gold for sure. You know, that's gonna be it for this video. It was just a quick unboxing, quick Telfar moment I had to give because I was too excited. I had to share this. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want that Telfar, get you that Telfar. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And go check out some more content on my channel while you're at it. And if you want to see anything in particular, just let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. That's it.